Okay, I am getting ready to redo my countertop. I have ordered this contact paper that's currently on here from Amazon. And as you can see, it has 30 minutes after putting it on, this is what it did. This is the new contact paper that I ordered. I ordered this from Walmart. I'm getting ready to apply that. And then it also started lifting from the corner here. This part of it, I didn't have any problem with it lifting or anything. The back here, it lifted a little bit, but it's like the flat surface was fine, but the edges, this corner and these edges, the edges just, I mean, it was like 30 minutes after I had applied it, it started lifting. I've already started removing it. This is some of the contact paper that I've removed. And then here on this side, it started to lift as well. So in the whole complete front edge, it lifted. So what I'm going to do is just remove this old and apply the new and see how it turns out. Finished it.